President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. once again led the campaign rally for the administration's senatorial candidates in Pili, Camarines Sur earlier today. With more than 50,000 Bicolanos in attendance, President Marcos Jr. endorsed former DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos, Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, incumbent Senators Senator Bong Revilla, Senator Pia Cayetano, Senator Lito Lapid, Senator Amy Marcos, and Senator Francis Tolentino, as well as House Representatives Erwin Tulfo and Camille Villar. Also included in the slate were former senators seeking a Senate comeback, former Senator Manny Pacquiao, former Senator Panfilo Lacson, and former Senator Tito Soto. Earlier in a press conference, the administration's senatorial candidates outlined their platforms and positions on key national issues, particularly on labor and employment. Infrastructure and transportation concerns in the Bicol region were also discussed.
Ito na yung dream team para sa Senado. Kaya po ay nais namin muli na iharap sa inyo, ang ating mga kandidato ng alyansa.
Meron kami programa ni Senator Lacson, di ba, yung BRIM, Budget Reform Advocacy for Village Empowerment.
Dapat kasi tulungan natin ang ating MSMEs or micro, small, and medium enterprises because actually 67% or 70% ng mga trabaho dito sa Pilipinas ay binibigay or nanggagaling sa MSMEs.
Tingin ko dyan, we have to broaden, mas palakihin pa, palawakin pa yung Sustainable Livelihood Program ng DSWD.
Siguro po panahon na para makita hindi lamang po ng DOTR, kung hindi ng mga economic managers natin, yung mga bansang mas may kapasidad. And I'm referring to Korea, and I'm referring to Japan. Kita yung Shinkansen, iba na hong level yun.
Kaya na-upload yung China na loan para sa project sa Riles. Luma yung binibigay sa atin. Yung pinaglumaan nila, yung parang yung gustong isaksak sa paga natin. So, bullet train na tayo ngayon for Diyos por Santo. Huwag na tayo masa doon sa kakalog-tulog ng mga railway system.